Hello everyone. So as you can see, I have a new vacuum here. This is my second time that I purchased from them. Sirena vacuum. This time it's a brand new Sirena vacuum that has warranty of 10 years. So the first vacuum that I ordered from them, my very first vacuum was refurbished. So I with money issues, of course, um so that's why I bought the refurbished, and it lasted 4 years, um and it did its job. I like it, and because I have allergy with dust, tiny dust, and so that's why I bought another one. But this time sorry, this time is a brand new Sirena vacuum. So I have here with me, in front of me, the warranty. So I'm going to fill in the warranty paper, but I'm going to do this into Sirena online service. So that is what I'm gonna do. So that's what it says here. Main unit motor, 3 years, I guess. Oh, period of 10 years on the Sirena main unit motor. Okay, so that was the main issue for me. So there is 10 years. So that means, so in 1 week, per week, I've been using my vacuum twice per week. So basement, main level, and upper. So, and it did its job. That's why I'm ordering brand new from them. So yeah, lesson learned. So take it from me, just buy the brand new vacuum. And thank you very much. Hello everyone, I ordered a new vacuum at Sirena. So this is the second time I ordered after, I believe, uh, 4 years of using my first Sirena vacuum. So this is the second one. Here we go. Let's unbox together. Oh, it's easy to how to do this. There we go. So this is the outside box. Instead of them using a regular brown box, they actually use their own logo or logo product to shift their their products. So I received this by UPS. So I received these sent via UPS. So the manufacturer of the Sirena vacuum is Canadian, from Ottawa. Let's see if there's a new or what do you call this? Let's see if there are changes with their Sirena vacuum product. Here. So it says here the motor is from Italy, and Fabrique Canada. So it's made in Canada. That's what you see when you open the box. Same as the old one 4 years ago or 5 years ago, the one that I first purchased from them. No difference at all. I also have this. I don't know if this is used, but look at there are marks. Let's see. Let's remove. It's just a protector. And here is the vacuum itself. Vacuum. So same thing, it will come with this breeze, ocean breeze that you drop in the basin. Oh boy, I don't know. Look at these are extra. Let's put it in here. I think they just drop it in and shift it. I'm not sure, but oh, this is gonna be heavy. Let's see. So that is the vacuum. It's heavy. Sorry. Yeah, this is, I'm not gonna show you, this is the carpet vacuum, and so many attachments still. So of course the Sirena vacuum came with the quick start instructions, and here it is right there, and also guide or proper storage. It's in here. It also came with these manuals. This one is in English, this one is in French, manuel d'instruction, in Spanish also, and then the other one is, I believe, in Arabic. I'm sorry, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's so let's go to, although I can understand, I can read in French, but let's go in English. So let's go here, let's open it. So this comes with this attachment. Yes, you can see. There we go. Basin. So the first vacuum that I ordered was, I had a problem with the basin, that it got cracked. I don't know why. Maybe the other reason was, the next one was this one here, it get cracked. It came off, one of this one, I don't know how do you say that, but the locked clump, there we go, the clump. I did mention that to my previous videos. That was the other problem, and that's the second one. The third one was the motor. It was very, very loud, it was so noisy, and so yeah, that was the issue. Oh, there's another issue as well. The fourth one was the where was it? This one here, the belt of the carpet vacuum. So that those four are the main issues that I encountered with this vacuum, the belt. Yeah, so I have to order from them. Okay, that's that. Otherwise, with the attachment like these things, I didn't have no problem. This one, yes, the basin, it get cracked. The carpet vacuum rubber, that's that. And yeah, that's what I encounter. And how about you? Do you own one of these vacuum? So yeah, comment down below. Okay, so this is my vacuum. So I have the new one and the old one here. So as you can see with the old one, same thing. With the new one, same thing. They did not change anything at all. Same product. Even after 4 years or 5 years, nothing has changed. I don't know. So please check your vacuum if you, what's the difference from the old one. Maybe the very first Sirena vacuum than this one. 24 sorry, 24 year 24 vacuum. So whatever the attachment from my old or from my first vacuum, I'm gonna use it for this one. Okay. The reason we bought a new vacuum is because this one, the basin is cracked. This one also is cracked. I cannot put anymore. I cannot put back anymore. This cannot fix it. And also it makes a very loud noise on the motor. So that's the reason why we bought another one, because this is only close to $800 Canadian. It's cheap, but it does the job. Remove all the dust, tiny particles, especially when you have a carpeted house. So that's why we bought this.